watching Tony R619 Breaks. Booyah!
What's up, my YouTube friends? Tony back with another video, and today I'm doing another bots break of this product right here. So this is a Redux of ACG Nvshen Lianmeng. I guess that's what it's called. Anyways, right here down below is some of the cards that we got in our first bots. We got a redemption card, which I haven't redeemed, a CP, an SSP, an LSP. This LSP is pretty cool because in one side she has a bikini, and on the other side she's covered up, kind of covered up, and she's taking a selfie. And then we have these SPs, and that's Wednesday Addams. We got this SSR and this SSR. Now, some of these SSR, this is a girl from Hotel Transylvania. Some of these SSRs have a puzzle piece on the back, and some of the SSRs don't. Like this girl from Pokemon doesn't have a puzzle piece on the back. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started, see what we get in this box right here. All right, this one's already open right here, so I don't need my box cutter. Here we go. So this is the second time I do this box. There it is. You've seen it before. And there's no hit pack in these boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I think there's 2 cards per pack, so we should get like a total of 20 cards. All right. So wish me luck, guys. Okay, first we get a CP, and I think we got this CP in the first box, so that's not a good sign. And then we got an SSR, and I think this girl is from some Disney movie. I forget the name of it. If you know, post it down below. And let's see if this SSR has a puzzle piece in the back, and it doesn't. So it will go right here, and this CP will go right here. All right, next pack. Elsa, I think that's her name. I can't remember. I think it's from the movie Frozen. Okay, next pack. We got an SP. And there's the back to the SP. And in our first spots, that's like this one, like Wednesday Addams right there. And then we got this beautiful SSR. And this girl is heavy from the top. Boob, yeah. And this one does not have a puzzle piece. We'll put that right here. Next pack. So 2 cards per pack. CP, and we got the CP in the first box. Nice foil shine. Beautiful card. And then we got this SSR. Don't know who this SSR is. It's a blondie and no puzzle piece. Okay. Very cool. All right, next pack. Tough man pack. Tough man pack, guys. All right. No puzzle pieces. We got this one in the first box. Beautiful card. I forget this girl's name. And then we got this SSR. And no puzzle piece. So put that right here. All right, next pack. Another tough man pack. Nope. Okay. Oh, we got Wednesday Addams again. Very cool. And then we got this SSR. Is this a Pokemon trainer, guys? Let me know. Let me know if you know who these characters are. And still no puzzle pieces. All right, maybe all these will be puzzle pieces now. And we still haven't gotten a hit. The hit will be the LSP and this SSP, because those are the ones we only got one of last time. Got something pinkish. Ooh, we got Mitsuri Kanjori, which we got in the first bot. So a lot of duplicates. And this is our LSP. So she's wearing a bikini. And on the back, she's wearing something else. I guess they have different outfits. Right? We got this outfit and then this outfit. Okay. So we're still looking for an SSP. And then the puzzle pieces. Nope. So we got this SP. So this is our SP. This one has a different, like a purplish border. And then we have this SSR. Nice. Very nice. Boobia. Very nice. All right, next pack. Wow, no puzzle pieces. Like we did, we got a whole bunch of them in the first bots. No puzzle piece. We got this one. SP. And then this SSR. Boobia. Very nice cards. All right, we got 2 more packs left, guys. This is the way the pack looks. Did I do my screenshot? I don't know if I did my screenshot. So in case I didn't do it, there it is. Redux. All right. Tough Man pack. Nope. No puzzle piece. Okay, so we got this one, SP, which I think we got in the first bots. And then this one, SSR. And our final pack, guys. We need to get an SSP because we didn't get we only got 1 hit. So we're looking for SSP. And this is probably it right here. So we got an SSR. And here's our SSP. Very cool. And the SSP also has a puzzle piece on the back. So here's our 2 SSPs from the 2 bots. It's got like this pinkish outlining. And you can feel the texture. So these are the 2 hits that we got from our 2 bots. And that's a different puzzle. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool boxes, guys. And that's it. We didn't get none of the puzzle pieces like we did. These are all from the first bots. From the first bots, we got all these puzzle pieces. And in the second time around, we got 0. All right, there you go, guys. There you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of this bots. I think I still have 1 of them left. All right, so we'll see if I decide to open it or sell it. All right, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. God bless.